Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So there's a couple different ways you can go about it. So number one, we're going to start off by opening up the content that we wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example. So once it's open and visible on the screen, first way would be to press power key and volume down at the same time. There we go. And this will bring up the little image of what we have captured. And as you just seen, there was two options, share and scroll. The scroll option is a fairly handy one. So let me just bring it back up by capturing another one, tapping on it. And this will allow us to capture a longer version of the page. So basically allows us to scroll down and still keep capturing the screen. Now, as you also seen, once I press the scroll option, it by default starts slowly scrolling down. But you can tap on the screen to stop it from doing so, and you can also scroll yourself however far down you want to go. At which point, once you're satisfied, click on done, we'll start processing it, and then select save, and you have just captured your scrollable screenshot. Now, apart from that, we have another way of capturing a screenshot, a little bit of an easier way, which at least in my opinion, which is just using 3 fingers, swipe down on the screen, and there we go, it just captures the screenshot. Way quicker and way easier. And once you have captured your screenshot, you can find all those screenshots in the gallery application. Just quickly go back in the gallery application, and if you go to the album section, you will see a new folder called screenshots, and in here you'll find all the screenshots that we have captured. So there we go, there's the scrollable one, the normal one, and the home screen that I have captured with 3 fingers. So as you can see, that is how you would capture screenshots on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.